All right, so this is what happened. I was riding down the road, the tire went flat. You know, I just put a brand new tire on my bike. Come to find out, the stock valve stem is torn in half. So I just had my wheels off. I just put tires on. I didn't want to take the tires off, the wheels off, everything to get back to the valve stem. So I came up with this genius plan. So basically I just squeeze the tire over. You look on the side over here, I put it on the rim itself. So it just pulled the entire tire over and you can get to the valve stem. I already did the rear worked out really well. Front tire's a little more narrow on a Grom, so this one's a little more tough, but worked out great, and I'm gonna be rolling here in like 5 minutes. All right, so we got the valve stem installed. Everything looks good, so just pop this off. New valve stem's on. Just pop that over there. There you go. Feet should seal, and everything should work out pretty well. Pop. Just like that, she's ready to go. Nobody make fun of my my front stand here. I swear I'm gonna go to Pitbull and get me one. It's working right now. I run 30.